Oh, this is what I'm working on this morning. It's a friend of the boss, and she called up last night. Water was leaking out the top. You can see it's all wet. But I'm gonna have to get this out of here. Replace that valve. Replace this. I'm draining it right now, so we're gonna get that gas valve replaced to get the water shut off to the house. We got a tank on the way down. So we'll get the other stuff going here really quick. Got no place to put you. Nowhere. No place to put you. It's like a Monday morning. It's like a Monday morning. For your pleasure. Get a little dabby do in here. Do it on the fly. Basically the same water heater's going back in. Change that valve up there. Don't have much room, so I gotta unsweat it. Hello, Bill. Don't have much room there, you know. So you see, I gotta get a new valve on that because that one was leaking. And I gotta cut that one right there. Okay. Or maybe I can unsweat that. I could probably unsweat that male fitting, male adapter. You send you with unions?
No.
Oh.
I just have the tank.
Oh.
And, well, I might have some. I mean, there's a bunch of random shit in that truck. I'm sure you got something. But...
Oh, it's. Oh, wait. Alright, so got the new valve in here. That bolted right back up. I did have unions on the truck. Got it fitted back up. I took that valve off up there. Got everything fitted back up. But then we ran into this problem. So, and if you look and see, you see light right through that vent. So, hopefully, get it apart here. And I think I'm going to end up replacing all of this. It's rusted pretty bad there. It's just going to rust apart. Get that out of the way. There's nowhere to put you guys. You're gonna fall. Oh, jeez. I just got a feeling this is all gonna fall apart. Oh yeah. There's a screw right there. I'm gonna have to get my little stubby to get this out. Right there. I can't turn it. I'm afraid to. Nope, gotta get the stubby. Oh, jeez. Oh my God. Oh, without taking it apart. Oh, jeez. Yeah, it's just get my stubby, get that out of there, get the soot out of there, get my vacuum. Soot everywhere. Oh, people just don't design anything around heating and cooling systems. It's horrible.
Then take the first right.
I tell my boss to stop having friends. I've told him this many times. Stop with your friend business. It's business. So I got this job. He had called me last night. He's like, hey, you got a water heater first thing in the morning. I'm like, great. I'm like, do you have any pictures of the job? Anything. He sends me a picture of a label. Got no pictures of anything. Then they send a guy down, just a tank, no unions, no nothing. Luckily I had some on the truck. I carry a lot of stuff on the truck.
Turn right.
As much as I possibly can on my little Twinkie truck. My truck is packed full of tools and parts and you name it. I can't fit any more in my truck. But we pulled it off, other than the venting. The venting just crumbled, so the Y had to be changed out, changed over to 4-inch instead of 3-inch. And I said, well, might as well change the furnace venting out too, because I couldn't get anything apart. So I just changed venting from furnace, water heater, everything. It's just better off that way. It was a few extra pieces. Sheet metal, not a big deal. Didn't take much longer, maybe 5 more minutes. But, you know, that's what happens. You know, you get your friends calling you, hey, I need a water heater. Hey, we'll send a guy down there. And then that took, and it's in an area, in our area, it's south of our area, where there's no Home Depot, no supply house, no nothing. So to get our venting material, we had to run all the way back up by the shop. And, you know, it took an hour and 15 minutes, you know, sucked. I mean, it took me till 12 o'clock. I got there at like 8:30 this morning. It's ridiculous. Normally it takes me hour and a half for a water heater by myself. But since it was sold over the phone to a friend, that's what happens. But I can't complain. I get paid by the hour, so it doesn't matter either way. But it just puts the day behind, you know, unexpected stuff. Unexpected stuff always puts the day behind. He should have told me, hey, run down there and see what you need, because it's closer to my house. And then we could have got, boom, out of the way. And it's on a Friday, of course. But whatever. You guys know what you need to do. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.